If you have ever opened the Microsoft Fabric pricing page and seen free, Pro, PPU, F2, F64, and capacity units all at once, you are not alone. Licensing is the single most confusing part of adopting Fabric and Power BI. In the next few minutes, we will untangle all of it and finish with one simple rule for the license you actually need. Everything starts with one idea. Power BI is licensed per user. You buy a seat for each person. Microsoft Fabric is licensed per capacity. You buy a shared pool of compute that the whole organization draws from. Seats versus an engine. Almost every licensing question comes down to which of these two models you are in. On the per-user side, there are 3 licenses. Free is granted automatically the first time you sign in to Fabric, and it lets you view Power BI content, but only when that content sits on a large enough capacity. Pro lets you create and share Power BI content, and every organization needs at least one Pro user. Premium per user, or PPU, unlocks the premium features for one person, and it is the cheapest path when you need those features for fewer than 250 people. One catch: PPU does not give you a Fabric capacity. On the per capacity side, you buy an F SKU, from F2 all the way up to F2048. The number is the count of capacity units, the raw compute the pool provides. A bigger number means more concurrency and bigger data. Azure F SKUs are billed per second with no commitment. The price is regional. And, crucially, you can pause a capacity to stop paying when no one is using it. Here is the part many teams miss. The old Power BI premium capacities, the P SKUs, are being retired. You can no longer buy them. You can only renew. And Microsoft is steering everyone to Fabric F SKUs instead. The good news is the compute maps cleanly. AP1 capacity lines up with an F64. When your premium agreement renews, you reassign your workspaces to an F capacity, and you get a grace period, 30 days of free capacity and 90 days of access, so nothing breaks mid-migration. There is one threshold that changes the math completely. F64. On any capacity smaller than F64, every person who even views a Power BI report needs a paid Pro or PPU license. At F64 and above, viewers with only a free license can open that content. So if you have a handful of authors but hundreds of viewers, moving up to F64 can be far cheaper than buying everyone a Pro seat. Because a capacity is an Azure resource, you control its cost like one. You can pause and resume it from the portal, the REST API, or an automation runbook, and a paused capacity stops billing. Reserve it for a steady discount, or run it pay-as-you-go for bursty work. Here is the pause and resume call you would automate. So here is the simple rule. If you only build reports and dashboards for a small team, buy Pro seats, and add PPU if you need premium features for under 250 people. The moment you need more than Power BI, lakehouses, pipelines, notebooks, or a warehouse, you need a Fabric capacity. And if you have many viewers, size that capacity at F64 or above so they can view for free. To recap, Power BI is per user, Fabric is per capacity. The P SKUs are going away, replaced by F SKUs, where AP1 equals an F64. Below F64 every viewer pays. At F64 and up they do not. Match the license to what you actually do, and you will never overpay. If this cleared things up, subscribe for more Azure and Fabric deep dives. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.